Hello everyone. Welcome back to Code Catalysts. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to earn from coding and which programming languages you should learn to maximize your income. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skills, this video will guide you on your journey to becoming a successful coder. Let's get started. In today's digital age, coding skills are in high demand across various industries. From tech giants to startups, companies are constantly on the lookout for talented developers. Coding not only opens doors to high-paying jobs, but also offers opportunities for freelancing, entrepreneurship, and passive income through app development and more. Let's explore some of the top programming languages that can boost your earning potential. First up, Python. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python is widely used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Its vast libraries and frameworks make it a favorite among developers. Next, we have JavaScript. As the backbone of web development, JavaScript is essential for creating interactive websites and applications. With frameworks like React and Node.js, JavaScript developers are in high demand. Java is another powerhouse. A staple in enterprise environments, Java is used for building robust, scalable applications. It's a great choice for those interested in Android app development and backend systems. For those interested in game development, C# is the way to go. Popular in game development and enterprise applications, C# is the language behind many Windows applications and games built with Unity. Lastly, for iOS app enthusiasts, Swift is your best bet. It's the primary language for building apps for Apple's ecosystem. Now that you know which languages to learn, let's talk about how to monetize your skills. Freelancing is a great option. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer opportunities to work on diverse projects and earn money on your terms. Full-time employment is another route. Many companies offer lucrative salaries and benefits for skilled developers. Keep an eye on job boards and network with industry professionals. App development can also be very rewarding. Create and monetize your own apps or games. With platforms like the App Store and Google Play, you can reach a global audience. Lastly, don't forget about teaching and content creation. Share your knowledge through online courses, YouTube tutorials, or blogs. This not only earns you money but also establishes you as an expert in the field. In conclusion, coding offers endless opportunities to earn and grow. By learning in-demand languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java, you can unlock a world of possibilities. Whether you choose freelancing, full-time work, or entrepreneurship, the key is to keep learning and adapting to new technologies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Happy coding!